Ebusuya Ayitey Powers kase hit. Ebusuya Ayitey Powers said about to just say NDC for us coming on. I was NDC for us coming on. Now people say the ban say NDC for them is coming Ayitey Powers because it doesn't make sense but it's going to make sense. Relax. Yam to was here. Na yam bon group name doso near mu. Say na be abete near mase. Ayitey Powers a Ghanaian boxer. Naturally say oko box na obe kai na oni bukum banku mo boxing fight be na mani be gidi mpa. Na Ayitey Powers si oye NDC ni na during 2024 campaign season no oye campaign de bo NDC na emu odin ye e ma sa me no kire mu say ska or spending when NDC ho no e millions of dollars and cedis actually say na enye ska ketua. Emma NDC for share the boss say NDC winning na some ba says can no work and betu ama no times 2 enu nti ono so di ahoden ni didie hia mu di ye adwuma e de boa the National Democratic Congress I can tell for say NDC now say NDC winning on ba power na kire say ode ni sika no kire nkrata receipt no kire say ka oboye no keka ni nyina bo mu wo nkrata akwan so di kopie mu e wo office amo change on fire den emfa nkono nko president omo fa ntua ne ka. I say down deadline. You know, we can say you December. Mama buy ye. Just say I got 2 days. Not just say Mama buy ye no. 1 year prepare to Abama ni. Sikana or poor Kadima NDC buy ye no. Still me know because you moon to ya just say the bull for just say NDC for us coming no. My dad no mind I uncle dada dre. Omo the 6 and 9. And the bull for ye nebusuya. In penny for say. Yanko tias and when I say let me explain. Ayitey Powers na kasa de to dwane bani we have to adwin.
I follow NDC with my heart. I follow NDC with my heart. The time me and the president following the president with my empty stomach do he campaign. The time I'm following the president do he campaign with the president. Yao Ampofo, where are you? Yao Ampofo, where are you? And those people you said they call from above, where are they? When I'm following the president with my heart and my empty stomach, I don't take breakfast. Following the president because we want His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to come to power. And I did the dirty job. I did a dirty job. I did a dirty job. Nila Tevanapwe, Honorable Nila Tevanapwe, Honorable Cheche, and Excellency Lordina Mama, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Sheriff Mama. You guys, you know the fight I pray for NDC. Today, the money I have to take care of my family and myself have to go like that. Thousands of dollars, millions of cedis have to go like that. 3 months now. 3 good months. When I called, they said, oh, yeah, they are signing your papers. And how many months to send my paper before I'll get my money? This one too, is it money I'm coming to borrow from the government? Is it money I'm coming to borrow from the government? I'm doing my promotion. One day, well, just 1 day to my promotion. Just 1 day to my promotion. And you guys fuck me up like that. Am I coming to borrow money? Bring auditors, will have to pay you up to now. Up to now. And I have family. I have family. What kind of life is this? Loyal to NDC like this. Loyal to the party like this. Why?
Ayitey Powers. NDC as a political party we don't know who papa say odini sika e share campaign because what shall we share no enya de a omu edi so. But you see me no enya me wanwa because NDC no ankasa as a political party no e party a intro and now I'm to do your they don't like to tell people the truth. And until Mr. Washa, a brebia and this Baba Poebiano, sometimes I intro a travel year because they trade on lies. Intro your trademark, intro no modio moniama. And me, when I see an NDC person, the person is equal to a liar. So NDC ni intro ni Mahama ni intro ni to force ni intro ni ukuto tabla kwa ni intro ni some George ni intro ni. They always trade on lies. Intro and your trademark. And someone this now someone to there is no difference because they are one. They trade on the same path. And that is what makes them the NDC. So when you come to how do you know say this person who is speaking the NDC? Because that is what makes you identify them. So we are NDC for. But the case of Ayitey Powers, no, we did not send you to go and do what you did. When you were doing it, in fact, you did not come and tell us, say, I'm going to spend this amount of money on NDC during the campaign time. Instead, then once when you know about say that they are not minding you, don't come on the media and come and tell us, because the time that you were spending the money, we were not there. What I say, we were not there. And since once when this can be now in there, Asamoah deal with Asamana Abano and take us out of Asamano, because we did not send you. So keep quiet and suffer, because I'm going to scan our can you not come and tell us? So I'm to scan our you would not come and tell us. I'm going to amount to our country. And the engage me for Secretary Mawa, you would not be here and be explaining to us how they pay the money, how they give you this, how they give you that. Because they are not giving you the money. That is the reason why you are here today making unnecessary noise. So, Boga, I'm advising you, go and sit somewhere, and let's have our peace of mind. Let's have our peace of mind. Because we don't like the fact, say, always, you people will be disappointed and you come on the media to come and make us sympathize with you. We are not going to do that this time around. We are not going to do that this time around. Guys, let me know what you also think in the comment section. Ezu, not sure say that. It's very simple. You have been played with. And that is what you prescribed. And a do not prescribing a damn mouse and no. So keep quiet and suffer. I can send to video.
The aircraft referenced in the budget are not luxury aircraft. Mr. Speaker, I want to use this opportunity to assure this House that the aircraft, the helicopters and the aircraft that will be purchased by the Ghana Armed Forces will certainly not have a bathroom. There will be no bathroom in that aircraft. Mr. Speaker, it is not a luxury aircraft that will have a bathroom, and it's important I make that point.
A few moments later.
Stepping on board the brand new Falcon 6X, introduced in 2025. It's designed for groups of up to 16 passengers. The cabin feels incredibly spacious. Every seat is fully adjustable and super comfortable. There's a large table, perfect for long journeys. And the jet can fly non-stop from London to Los Angeles or Dubai to Tokyo. The sofa converts into a full bed. And there's a new, modern bathroom built for comfort on long flights.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
And there's a new, modern bathroom built for comfort on long flights.
This is the same Atu Forcing. Atu, is it the same you? Is it Atu Forcing? Hey, Atu. Hey, Atu. Hey, Atu Forcing.